What's going on, fellers? I haven't seen y'all in a little while. Been really busy with all sorts of crazy, colossal, really traumatic things. Crazy family issues. Me and the old lady are good, but my family had a lot of stuff going on. I'll tell you guys a little more about that as in the next video or two. I think the next one's going to be one I did a few years ago, a water pump on my dad's old truck. But anyway, it's snowing. I live in Florida, and I've lived in Florida for, what am I? I'm almost 32 now. I've lived in Florida for 32 years, and I've never actually got to see snow. And y'all, there is like a foot of snow at my house. That's weird. Man, them Crown Victorias they really just cover the top up. Wow. This thing should actually have snow inside the cab, probably. Yeah. A little dark, but the cab ain't got no doors on it. That's fine. Oh my god, dude. Wow. Wow. Oh, look at the old Blazer. I bet the old Blazer never expected. Whew, wow. Look at me tracks. I came from that way. Look at all the puppy tracks. If you look closely, you can tell where they've been. Wow. How is that even okay?
I shoveled. I swept.
That was you.
Yeah. I tried to make it that they had a little spot that wasn't too deep.
Whoa. Oh. That was great. Good job, Bagel. Yeah, Bagels. What do you think? What do you think? Kind of bull, huh? Hi. It's a winter wonderland over here, fellers. For some reason. I thought this was America, not Florida. It once was. Oh, look, the puppies have been back here. Hey, they made a loop around the pool. How am I even in Florida right now? I'm a Ranger. I drove that car here from work. That was scary. Wow, dude. Just wow. See, I got my wipers up, so maybe they won't freeze to the windshield so bad. Oh, if any of you fellas are interested in snow, I've got truckloads of it. Yeah, literally though. Oh my goodness. Oh look, we gotta open the gate. That'll be good. It's like really heavy. I made a gate angel! Woo! Alright, here we go. That much of the yard already sweeped up. Oh my goodness. Look at my 92s. Wow. Third. Dude. As I'm starting this video clip, my brother just texted me. I'm recording on my phone. It said, dude, we have a foot of snow. You are not kidding. I mean, like, yo, look at the depth in this truck bed. I wonder if I should open. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm glad I opened it for the video. That's cool. Whew. And that lip is not much taller than the rest of the bed. Holy crap. Wow. My firewood. This is Florida, huh? What is up, guys? Hey, puppies. Here we are, the following morning, and I think I live in Antarctica. Oh, there's a hole. Oh yeah, Bagel dug a hole there before the snow. Oh my god. In case you can't tell, it's really bright. I cannot see. I think you guys can though, so that's good. See, I did a little snow shoveling with my leaf rake last night. Dude. How is this even? I didn't even pile snow on this side. That's just how deep it was. I piled it on this side. For real? Over here I started building a snowman. That'll be neat. Build a real snowman in Florida, why not? Right? Well. Yeah, so this is like about noon the following day. We didn't get any more snow after the like pretty much blizzard, you know, that came in. But it's noon already and there's still a lot of snow. A lot of snow. Dude. It's pretty weird for Florida. It is such a mind-numbing thing that 32 years I've seen what do you call that? The frozen water, the sleet. I've seen sleet a handful of times. Even where you get enough sleet where you can almost kind of make a little ice ball, but it's not, you know, it's not a snowball. So I went from never actually seeing snow before to holy, all of it. Every last bit. All the snow you could ever ask for. All in one place. Well, that freaked me out the way my foot sank down a little lower and the way the snow fell on my ankle. I thought something was getting me. I was pretty sure I was under attack. Dude. Hey, look, there was a critter down there. Whoa. I actually haven't been back here in this part of my yard. Dude. What a winter wonderland. Yeah, never seen real snow before. And all at one time, this was like one snow event. It's almost like we had a hurricane during the freezing temperatures. I just can't even believe it. But I got to. I'm wading through it. Look how close it got to the bottom of the chair. It just collected on this side of it. Look at that. It just made its own foundation to support the roof. Got the spoiler hanging out though. She's still spoiling. Whoa, it's really bright over here. These are all the critters, all the squirrels and the birds and whatnot. They've been everywhere. How far down is the ground? There it is. Wow. That might be 9 or 10 inches in that spot. It looks like I've gotten 12 or 13 in some areas where we're like up on top of the hill where it really blew in and collected. See the direction it all blew in. It's almost like dipping your hand into ice. Look at it all, sparkly and majestic. I want to try to drive around in the snow in this truck today too, but we're gonna have to get out with a hair dryer and like heat up my thick old oil, and you know, it'll be fine. Wrap a heating blanket around the 302. Easy peasy. It is telling me that it's using traction control a lot.
You know what? It's kind of icy out here in the yard. Oops. You know, I was trying to come over here to the side yard and turn the traction control off and try to do a donut, but apparently it's really, really slick and icy right here on this side of the yard. Traction control on or off? It's kind of stuck in the snow. See, that's why I didn't drive around very far, just in case. If I got stuck, it's nice that we're stuck at home. Oops. My ball is just about in the snow. That's horrible. Horrible. We can go ice skating on the pool. As long as you're light enough anyway. It's pretty thick on that side. I kept my pool pump pumping all this time. See the ice cubes flowing? That's fine. As long as it doesn't freeze the pump in the hoses and then make them all explode the water everywhere. As you see, there's only a thin layer of ice up here. The rest of it's water. Looks cool though. All the snow falling in and building up. Ooh. That sounds cool. That is a fairly thick layer of ice. Ooh, speaking of ice, we gotta go. Just had to make sure my pump wasn't frozen. We gotta go look at the pond over here. We might have to find it. Hey guys. Yeah, I wonder if we can see it. See, I drove through here. Yeah, there's a pond down there. Ooh. That is some frozen pond water. Bamboo in its natural environment. 12 inches of snow. It likes the water that it'll get from it anyway. There you go. Now that's making good use of the conditions. There's a dude out there pulling people on a sled. All right. Now we went from being stuck over there to being stuck over there. It's a nice time to be wheeling on my own private property. Landowner would be pissed. I'm barely even skidding around on top of the ground. It's just all frozen and slippery. And for some reason the streeties are just not gripping too well. I did make it like way back down the hill up against this tree. That's fine. Pretty fun though. Coolest place to get stuck is in your own yard. Now I think from here I'm gonna play with getting my other truck started and get a long rope out and maybe pull up that way. Ford Ranger stuck in the snow.
The rooftops over there.
Oh, by the way, we got the Ranger out. Missy had to drive for me, but the old Ford pulled it out. He could use this bucket and scoop snow, make the biggest snowman. This looks like a miserable place to be building a house right now. Fellas, look at our icicle tire treads. Look at that. That's like the inside of the treads. Ooh. Are we building a snowman right now?
Yes.
Hold the camera, I have to know. You ready? You might need to get over there. I'm gonna try to bowl it and see if it gets bigger. Try again. You ready? No. It didn't get bigger. Oh yeah, our snowman. We made a snow bear.
You did.
I made a snow bear.
You gave it ears.
I gave it ears.
Ears were not in the instructions.
And then I couldn't find a good stick for arms, so I made him snow arms. What do you think of our snow bear, Muffin? Snow bear. Now we gotta throw the giant snowball. My snow bowling ball. Are you leaving marks on the tree?
Yes.
Mine's bigger. All right. Well, I think we'll wrap up our wintertime extravaganza 12 inches of surprise snow video on the snow bear there. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, liking, and subscribing and all that junk, and y'all have a good one. I'll see you again much sooner than this time, probably. Yeah. Let's try to make it snow.